Hi, students. I am going to present to you about your project this week. It's our close read project / digital art project. So this is what we'll be doing. We're going to be learning about the different ways people communicate with each other. Now, the way young people are communicating, it's been a shift since when I was young, or maybe when your grandparents were young. And we're going to create a new way to send a message out. So we're going to be talking about memes. The first part of this project, you're going to be doing some research. You're not going to be doing research, you're going to be doing some reading, some close reading about how information is distributed to people. And then when you've read that, you're going to respond in using race. And then finally, the latter part of the week, the end part of the week, you're going to be creating a meme. And so let's first talk about what a meme is. Here's some examples here. A meme, that's not the slide I want to go to. Okay, so first, a meme is a video, a picture, or a phrase that a lot of people send to each other on the internet. This is one here. This picture stays the same, but people end up changing some of the words to go with it. When you think you've been working for 4 hours, maybe reading for 4 hours, but it's only been 17 minutes. That's your face, right? A source is where information comes from. This could be newspapers. This could be an encyclopedia. It could be somebody who was there, and then they're telling you. When newspapers write their articles, they have to check their sources. They have to interview people that were there or ask people who know the law. So it's where you gather your information. And finally, social media, you've maybe heard that. And what that is it's a form of electronic communication, websites, apps, where many people are on that app or website and they're sharing information, ideas with each other. Facebook, I've seen some people talk about TikTok, Instagram. Those are all social media, types of social media. So what you're going to do is you're going to read this text today. Teenagers are rewriting the rules of the news. Okay. As you're reading or listening, if you want to listen to it, so first thing you're going to do is click here to text. And you'll be fast to load. And as you're, here it is. If you prefer the text, you can too. You would click here to listen to the text down here at the bottom. Right there, right there, and then you'll get me reading it to you. So I recommend on Monday and Tuesday, you're listening to the text. Rereading the text, so maybe read it twice. Then you're going to write a race question. Here's your question. Read it with me. Describe examples of how young people are communicating with each other. And you'll find that on Google Classroom. It's due Friday, but you're gonna wanna get it done Tuesday or Wednesday. So you're reading the text, you're answering the question, and then finally, this is due on Friday, you're going to create a meme to communicate with Sherwood students. You may choose one of the following purposes of your meme, for your meme. You can encourage students to do their work during online school. You can remind or give tips on how to wash hands, or you can tell students that online school will be over soon and to stay strong. Okay, so you're going to pick one of those messages. You're going to pick a picture here. So let me demonstrate it on mine. This will be in your Google Classroom. And you're going to be putting these pictures here. Just move the one you want and then change the words, like a me. This is due Friday in your Google Classroom. Okay? Good luck, students. Send me text questions that you have.